Good morning. Hi, my name is Daryl. If you haven't seen me before, I have a channel called 63 and Counting, Do-It-Yourself and Tools. Normally I go over some do-it-yourself projects. I try to do one a week, but I'm also into showing you current sales around from Home Depot, Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Amazon, and just wherever we might find a good tool deal. So I hope you'll join me, and let's get to the video. Hello, today let's take a look at the spring Black Friday Ryobi tools under 150. And I've currently got this sorted by the 18 volt because there's so many items. Let's just get started. First we have the Ryobi 18V 18 volt high performance lithium ion 6 amp hour battery, and this is a 2-pack. If you'll notice, it's down to $139. That's from $278. That's a really good deal if you're in the market for upgrading your batteries. These are the high performance and they are 6 amp hour. Next up, Ryobi 1 cordless 3/8 inch drill driver kit. Comes with a 1.5 inch battery. This will be the brush type, but it does have a 1.5 inch battery, so 1.5 amp hour battery. This is a good starter kit for somebody or a gift, $49.97. Ryobi 1 18 volt compression drive cordless 3/8 inch. This is a crown stapler. Got it down 29% to $69.97. The 18 volt 2 amp hour compact battery and charger starter kit. Not the best price I've seen, but still not bad with the charger, $99. Here's the Ryobi 18 volt 6 amp hour high performance battery, a single pack for $99. Which isn't bad, but you can get that 2-pack for $139.99, so I feel like that's much better. Here's the Ryobi 1 18 gauge cordless airstrike brad nailer, and then you're getting that free 2 amp hour high performance battery, so that's a pretty good deal for $149. That's 89 bucks off. I love these Whisper Series fans. This is a fan only, $59. I have seen a little better prices occasionally, but even at $59, it's a good value. If you have 18 volt batteries already, they last all night on the low or medium setting if you use them at night camping or something. How about a brushless cordless oscillating multi-tool? This is the tool only, but it does come with some bits, as you can see there. It's down from $129 to $99. 18 volt 1/2 inch drill driver kit also has that 1.5 inch battery and charger. This is the brush type, but still a decent value at $89. Here's the 4 amp hour battery 2-pack. Got it down to $99 if you need a couple 4 amp hours. I've made another video on these cordless high pressure inflator tools. I love them because you just set the value that you want or the pressure that you want, press the start button, and it'll shut itself off. $39.97. No battery with it. Here's a cordless oscillating multi-tool. This is brush type, $79. Here's a Ryobi 1 brushless cordless reciprocating saw. So this is brushless. You can, if you're stepping up to brushless, save 20 bucks, $119. Here's a battery. It says free with eligible purchase, and we'll just jump in there and let you see what those are. All right, with a select purchase, as you can see there, you can buy the weed eater and the blower and get this battery free. Here's the 18 volt 6-port fast charger. It's $99. Here's the 1/2 inch hammer drill kit with a 4 amp hour high performance battery. This is brushless, knocking 30 bucks off down to $149.99. Comes with a nice bag. Here's another brushless tool, the cordless 4.5 inch angle grinder. This is the tool only, but it's 30 bucks off down to $99. Here's a cordless reciprocating saw. This is brush type, $89. Here's one of those fans that comes with a battery, and it does come with a nice 4 amp hour battery. It's not the smaller one. Save 50 bucks to $89. Here's the 18 volt 4.5 inch angle grinder. This is the tool only. I actually own this one. It's done very well for me. But once again, I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not a contractor. But I don't think you'll have any trouble with it. I was using it to grind mastic off the floor after I pulled tile up. So it's a solid tool at $59.97. Here's the cordless jigsaw tool only. Once again, this is a brush model, $79. Here's an oscillating multi-tool with a free 2 amp hour battery, $79. This would be a brush type. Here's the two-tool combo kit with a multi-tool and a random orbit sander for $79. So you can save by combining 43%. Here's a compact fixed base router. They have it on, doesn't look like it's on sale, but they're listing it for $99 during their spring Black Friday sale. Here's a glue gun if you need to add one of those to your arsenal. It's 18 volt with the dual temperature and 10 glue sticks, and it comes with that free 2 amp hour battery for $59.97. Or you can get just the tool for $59.97, but you notice it says buy one, get one, so it's giving you the battery. Here's the battery that they're offering if you buy the battery straight, which would be kind of silly because it's cheaper to do it this way. Here's a 3-tool combo kit with a jigsaw, router, and a random orbit sander for $129. That's saving 98 bucks, grouping them together. These are all brush type. Here's that inflator with a battery. It's got the 2 amp hour battery and a charger included. So if you don't have any, you might want to add this kit together. $69.97, saving 29%. Here's a nice brushless 6.5 inch circular saw, tool only, $119. If you're converting, that's a solid value. There are some pretty good deals in the combination kits too you might want to look at. Here's a 7.25 inch brushless with a free 2 amp hour high performance battery for $139, so you're saving $94 by going with that one. Here's a brushless cordless compact one-handed reciprocating saw. It is brushless, $119. Here's a cutoff tool. It's an 18 volt brushless, $129. Oscillating multi-tool kit with 2 amp hour battery and charger for $99. Here's the 18 volt cordless compact router kit with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. It's knocking 35 bucks off to $89. Here's your 18 volt brushless 3/8 impact wrench, tool only. And it says free gift with purchase. Let's see what they're giving you. I assume it's a battery. I think my phone was going to say not today. Yes, it is the battery. It's a 18 volt 2 amp hour battery. Here's the 18 volt brushless cordless compact router with a free 2 amp hour battery, saving $94 to $129. Here's a 1/4 inch sheet sander with a free 2 amp hour battery. So you can save $89 in this combo for $59 if you're getting ready to do some sanding. Here's that Ryobi 1 hybrid LED work light. That's going to take a battery and a plug-in, $84. Here's a cordless 5-inch random orbit sander with a free 2 amp hour battery, save 99 bucks, $119. Here's a cordless bolt cutters. I've seen times when I need that. The manual ones will work, but you have to put out on some of the things you're cutting. Save 20 bucks, $99. Here's a corner sander, $49.97. This is brush type. Here's a couple of inflators. You get the high performance inflator and one 18 volt cordless high volume inflator. There's no batteries with this one, but for $59.97, that's a pretty good combo. I actually own both of those and I'm very pleased with them. Here's the 18 volt dual function inflator kit. It's going to come in saving $49 to pick it up with $89.97 with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. Here's the 2-inch angle grinder kit with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. This is brush type, 89 bucks. Here's a brushless cordless impact 1/2 inch 4-mode wrench, and it does come with a battery. $139, you're saving 109 bucks. That is a pretty darn good deal right there. Here's an 18-volt cordless compact glue gun. This is the tool only for $34.97. Cordless verse clamp speaker 2-pack, tools only. But you get 2 of them for $119. Here's a 3/8-inch drill driver kit with a 1.5-inch battery charger and drill. This is the brush type, but you're saving $16.97. It's a special buy at $44.97. Here's a cordless LED stick light, tool only. So this is assuming you have some of these 18-volt batteries, or you're going to buy some during the sale, $39.97. Here's a brushless fan, the Whisper series. They're knocking 40 bucks off to 99. That is no battery. And here's a high pressure inflator kit with a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and wet dry hand vacuum for $143. And that does come with the 2 amp hour battery. And that's all we have for the 18 volt. I'll try to come back and do the 4 amp hour and maybe the 40 volt before the sale ends. These sales are good through Saturday. So if any of these are of interest to you, you may want to act soon. Thanks for watching. I hope that provided some value to you. And if you don't mind, like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and it helps me know that I'm getting out there and showing people what they want. Until the next video, y'all take care.